Hello everyone, good evening to all, and ayan, how to make a video together with your favorite artist or favorite singer, or what is your choice, and I will show you guys how to make or edit the video. So let's do this guys. Go in CapCut editor. Go guys in CapCut editor. Then you choose what is your favorite artist. So for me, I put the singer artist. The first step, you go TikTok to save the video for your favorite artist or singer. So this is my choice. This is my favorite artist or singer, Mr. Jerome. So this is my choice. I put this and I edit with me together in my video. So the first step, I'll make a video in TikTok first for me, and like this. Guys, look guys. So I delete the background from Jerome. I delete. So about that, she like true with me. So I put also in my I put also my video. Look at this. This is my video. So I remove also the background. Sorry guys, because this is my first time to do this, to edit. I'm a blogger guys, so I want to know how to edit anything. Yeah. About that, I start to edit with this my favorite singer or TikTokers, Jerome. So this, look at this guys. Now it's like true together, right? Then I put some background. Let's check the background. Where's the background here? And also the size. Make sure good the size. Good, there's in a background. I like the backgrounds. Look at this guys. This is the step. Actually, this is my, again guys, I explain. Only edit. So, this one, background. This is the background. I put the background. Oh, look at guys. Now it's like a true, right? So about that guys, this is my favorite singer or TikToker. So his I choice to put my edit like that. So only this guys, my tutorial. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you understand this guys and you like.